Update on the story, we are learning that the BJP is making a big charge. They are alleging that they are not being allowed to go to Mysuru. The cops are at the BJP State General Secretary's house, preventing them from moving out. Imran is also tracking the story. He joins us live right now. Imran, good morning. Now, clearly, this is another headache for Siddaramaiah, a grave violation in case this is true. Have we heard absolutely any response first up from the state, from the Chief Minister himself?
Well, the Chief Minister has just arrived for a public event. We'll get a response from him as to how he will justify the fact that many of the BJP leaders have been detained, not being allowed to go to Mysuru. Right now, there is a huge drama happening right now where the BJP leaders are assembled at a Kadamba Hotel on the Mysuru road. They have all the leaders assembling there from there to go to Mysuru to protest against the Muda scam. Now, the BJP is alleging that the Congress is preventing them. In fact, they have shared visuals of a toll gate from where to go to Mysuru. That heavy police bandobast have been done there, and they're saying this is being done to prevent them from go to Mysuru and protest over Muda allegations. And this is a scam which has now, CM has said that we have to wait till the investigation report comes out, and he will not respond to baseless allegations. Even there is a complaint filed with election commissions claiming that that particular land has not been shown by the CM in his affidavit. CM responding to that also said that he will respond to the election commission when they issues a notice. But politics is being played out over it, and today BJP has planned a massive protest in Mysuru over this particular issue.
Okay, just Imran, give me a moment. I'm told that we do have a response that has come in from Siddaramaiah a little earlier. Now, reacting to the entire issue, he has spoken about this, saying that he would be responding to the notice if the Election Commission issues a notice. So clearly this tells you he's not denying these allegations. That's point number one. He's also alleging that this was a conspiracy against him and that the opposition is jealous of him because he became the Chief Minister twice despite being from the backward class. So he's using the caste card there to hit out at the BJP. Let's listen in to that response.
ಚುನಾವಣಾ ಆಯೋಗ ನಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನವರು 2ನೇ ಸಾರಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಉರಿ. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಸಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎದುರ್ಕತ್ತೀನಿ. ಮೂಡ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ, ಅದು ಗಬ್ಬಿದ್ದೋಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲದಿಂದಲ್ಲ, ಮೊದಲಿಂದ ಗಬ್ಬಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೂ ಗಬ್ಬಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು. ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಸೈಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ